Zulu. So we're standing outside the home of one of the artists who we had given thanks and acknowledgement to on the 30th of June, Pastor Mjosti. So on the 30th of June, he was one of the artists that we said has shown his support to March and March. And then today I got a call from him in the morning saying that, there's been an incident here. So his sister had been going to a church which was run by a man from Burundi. And that church was eventually closed. When the church was closed, she was going to another church. But now this pastor from Burundi started calling her after hearing us acknowledge him at the March and March and asked her why is her brother supporting March and March. To which she explained that obviously he's an old man, he can support whoever he wants. And then after that, the man showed up in the wee hours of the morning and stabbed her 43 times, if I'm not mistaken, 40 plus times, and as well as their little daughter here. So she's currently in hospital under intensive care. But also the guy was caught thanks to the neighbor who was very brave and ran after him and went to call the police. This guy is a guy from Burundi. He came into South Africa, God knows as what, but he started a church, and apparently that church was closed down. After the church was closed down, he then became a car guard. But this particular man is also a soldier, trained soldier. So he was in the country walking around doing God knows what to survive. And today he's absolutely destroyed a family and stabbed a woman 40-something times just because that woman is related to someone who supports March and March. And we're not going to have that because we're not supposed to have such people in our country in the first place. But our government has subjected us to such people who are soldiers, trained soldiers in their own country, coming to our country and doing all of these things. So, yeah, we're still praying that she recovers. And yeah, I'm going to say it in Zulu now because I know some people will complain. But namhlanje sila ngaphandle kwasekhaya la Pastor Mjosti. Okomunye abantu kathi ngomhla 30 kwaJune sibonga ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi akhulume ngeMarch and March nangokubaleka ukuthi izwe lethu likwazi ukuthi limele ngaphandle kokuthi lingenwe abantu bangaphandle bezogcwala la. Kusexa njalo usisi wakhe uPastor Mjosti wase eseyabuza ke oseyathola icall ebuzwa umfundisi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ubhuti wakho abe kulezi zinto zeMarch and March ngoba phela wena ubhuti wakho uyicelebrity kumele ngabe umuntu neutral. Wathi ke usisi angazi phela ngoba ubhuti umuntu naye umdala uyakwazi ukwenzela inqumo zakhe. Wathi kusanjalo ke wasuka ke umfundisi lo wafika namhlanje kuseni ngekhathi nje zentathakusa wangena endlini mayengena endlini aqale amgwazi usisi. Anginayisho ukuthi 40 how many times noma 42 noma 43 kodwa kulako 40 something ikhathi amgwaze zona. Ngizoyifaka ke nevideo izolandela nje la ukuze niyibonele ukuthi into ebhlungu kangakanani. Kodwa nje siyabiza amaphoyisa, sibiza nohulumeni ukuthi uzoyilungisa le ndawo. Ngoba kwazi ukuthi izwe lethu kuhamba kucala uzwe bonke abantu laba basuka emazweni abo ba amasosha atrainiwe kuze kulimala abantu bakithi ngenxa nje yokuthi bamele iqiniso. Ngimhlungu kakhulu ngalento enzekela. I think futhi ngiyathandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha amandla ukuthi sidlule kulobu bunzima esibhekane nabo. Ngoba siyakhala nje sikhala ngayo lento ukuthi abantu bokufika la asibazi nokuthi bobani baqhamuka kuma background abanjani. Abaningi babo siyabazi basuka emakhaya nodlame amazweni anodlame kodwa uhulumeni wathi azange uzusivikele kuleyo nto. So leli gazi leli lapha lalosisi nolingani yakhe lelaphayani sezandleni lahulumeni wethu. Uwona okumele uwenze sure ukuthi labantu bayaphuma ezweni lethu ngokusheshsha, ngoba sazi ukuthi njengoba kusiscam Jost nje namhlanje kusasa kuzokuba. And siyanicela ama South Africans manicabanga ukuthi le mpi incane akobe niyabona ukuthi inkulu kangakanani, ngoba namhlanje ibona kusasa ngase kubo wena, and wes mhlambe kusasa kuba ngisho ingane zakho ungasekho wena awuzange uyisukumele uyilwele kule mpi esibhekane nayo. Labantu abangasibona bala efanele ngaba bekho la abahambe.
Into besiyenzeka manje besilapha sabuya khona ku-crime scene from ekuseni namaphoyisa nje balokho enibona eshintshana engeke ngoba sine-challenge yalo muntu lo esuspect ukuthi izolo uhambile bathi bamse esibhedlela ngoba uzigwazile. So mefika ngale sibhedlela nala uqale khona la kwi-custody walokho ezama ukuzibulala ehenga khayiza. So mefika ngalena-ke ufike bathi ufike waba wesi esibhedlela eWentworth. So uzenza umuntu ohlanyayo manje. So i-issue-ke esesiyibanga-ke manje namaphoyisa bathi kungenzeka udokotela abhale incwadi okufanele aye eFort Napa for 2 weeks ayo-check ingqondo. So sithi thina no akaqale court before aye eFort Napa. I-court ezodecide ukuthi lo muntu kumele ukuthi aye eFort Napa noma kumele ukuthi aye njani. Akangakubalekeli ukuyovela enkantolo ngoba thina sinenkolelo ukuthi uphila saka akahlanyi ukwazile ukuthi enze izinto ade ezenza ephila saka ebiza ngomfundisi senza zonke. So kumele ukuthi akumele konke akwenze. Ngeke kuthiwa indoda nendoda iphiliswa inqumo zayo. So nayo kubalekile ukuthi ukubambelela kule inqumo zakhe abeyithathile. So silethe ibriefing ukuthi ke amaphoyisa-ke abambisana nathi ngendlela esimanga. Yonke into besiyibona ukuthi okuningi kuyaphuma esandleni, but-ke sesikubuyisile sekuhamba ngale ndlela esifisa ukuthi kuhambe ngayo. Usisi namanje usase-ICU, izolo ebusuku ungene izolo ngabo-2 ungenile theatre ile khuze yakhona. Process yakhona ithathe something like 10 hours ngoba uzowaqeda abo-11 kodwa okwamanje sebekwazile ukuthi bamthunge ngapha basamphumzile basembe-ICU sebezoqhubeka bamthunge phezulu ngoba leya muntu ubembenga nje njengoba masuku ubenga inkomo. So isihluku asenzile understand ukuthi ungenza into enjeya kumuntu uzuphinda ugwaze nengane na 14 years. So ibhlungu kakhulu le nto esiyibonile enziwa ile muntu waseBurundi. So ngisho ukuthi ke bafowethu ke isimo esibhekene naso ileso njengamanje sisathandazelana nako ukuthi usisi aphaphame eICU khona naye ezokwazi ukuthi akasichazele okuningi esingaku-understand siyifamily sabahlali futhi base South Africa esicabanga ukuthi uyena ozosinika impendulo eziningi eziphathekayo ngalo lonke lolu daba ukuthi liqale phi. Siyamuzwa umshana umebeka lokho akubekile but sesifisa ukwazi ngayo usisi wethu ukuthi asichazele ngalo mnomzane ukuthi ubani lo mnomzane kwenzakalani ngalo mnomzane indaba izifika la kulinyazwana kangaka bekwenze njani. Sikuzwile konke okushiwo umshana asikufela amathe kodwa siyafisa ukuthi nosisi wethu uma sevukile asichazele konke. Ngizocela ukuthi ngidedele-ke umfowethu mhlawumbe nami khona afuna ukukubeka xa bese sibuyisela umfowethu.
Ngiyanibikelela ababukeli emakhaya. Igama lami nguLihle wakaMbhele. Umfowabo kaSisi lo olimele. So okwenzekile ngeyikhathi zasekuseni ngabo 5 ekuseni sithola ucingo oluvela kumshana wethu. Umshana wethu ekhala escreama ethi malume mphuthumani nangumfundisi esibulala esigwaza noma. And then-ke sibe sesiphuthuma kwesigameko leso esifike sakubona esikubonile kushaqile udadewethu elele phansi a-pool of blood ekonwe ingane yakhe. Ingane umshana lwami una 16 years ubekwazwe yena lesandleni ngokuthi ezama ukuvikela uma wakhe. So ke mase sasizama ukuthola ukuthi ubani lo mwenzi wobubi. Umshana uyasibheka umfana uthi umfundisi from owaseBurundi. So abe bevamise ukuvakashela kwesinye isicakogwana sesonto lakhe. So wahamba kumfundisi umechaza umshana obebuya bavakashele ehambise imithandazo kanjalo kanjalo. Ukuthi na njengamalunga omndeni asimazi kahle. Lokho osuzwa kusho umshana ke nokuthi okuningi ke okuthinta le mnumzana lo salendo sisiavuke eICU asitshengise le ndoda ewubani kanjani. Kodwa umshana ona 16 years umuntu ohlakaniphile lo owazi ngoba ulokhu uzima oshiwe. So
Sinjani isimo sikasisi nomntwana?
usisi into eyenzakalile izolo bathe udokotela bazodinga isikhathi so-8 hours ukumthunga umzimba wonke because ngisho nangaphansi kwenyawo umgwazile kusukela ekhanda ayikho indawo angazangamgwazile and okushaqisile ukuthola ukuthi mebezama ngoba khona libekhala ngokoma futhi bengeke othe umnikeza lento ephuza amanzi aphuma la emqaleni ikona okusithuse kakhulu lokwashaqisa ukuthi kanti lo muntu uyisilwane nokusithusa ukuthi isibindi esingaka ungasuka all the way from uBurundi uzolimaza ingane na16 years nomuntu wesifazane phambi kwengane itrauma engakayenziwe yiloko kusithusile.
And then isimo sikamfundisi lo sithini ukephi kwenzakalani ngaye?
Ngokwamaphoyisa ke athi ke usagciniwe Stokson.
Okay. Inkantolo uvela nini seyiphumele date?
Amaphoyisa athe ke uzovela ngoMonday ngo9 o'clock enkantolo.
Hey bafowethu apha ndithe ndithi Bavar ndeqine video kaJacinta. Ezinye izolo nge-16 kaJuly 2026 kule video uJacinta ubonakala ngongathi ubalisa ibali nje elimanyukunyezi elimasikizi apho kubonakala ngongathi isister kaPastor Mjosti ihlatywe ngumuntu obeke ngumfundisi kule migulukudu yabantu bokufika bangaphandle. Ngiyayazi ke baba Pastor Mbumbulu aba. So wayithetha ngongathi nje umhlabe isihlungu phansi koba ke uPastor Mjosti engomnye wabantu aba very vocal beyisupporta lento esibhizi ngayo efaka abantu bokufika. Nizawukhumbula bana nge-30 kaJune 2026 kula match yayikhona le sibadlala le KZN uJacinta wathi xa kebonga ama celebrities that were very vocal that have been very vocal azange amshiye yena uPastor Mjosti lona. So ke ngoku kubonakala ingathi uPastor lona uye wakhweleta phansi koba isister lena kubonakala ingathi ibikhonza kule cawe yalomgulukudu Pastor Mbumbulu lona ibikhonza kule cawe lena. So ingathi ke ngoku ikhweletele lonto into yoba kungani ibrother yakhe noba i-involved kangaka kulento yoba kugxothwana nabantu bokufika abasezweni lethu ngongekho kwasemthethweni. So yathi ke ngoku lento lena according to indlela kayithethe ngayo inyobuye bayikwatela lento lena. So namhlanje ke ngoku kulapho ku-interview because izolo ndendayiva qha ndafika into yoba hey ndirhalela ukuyiva kayibanzana mani ba sithini enhle ke si-story. Namhlanje ke ku-interviewer yena uPastor Mjosti uqobo kulapho ecacise khona into yoba kuhlatyiwe yena isister le yakhe phansi koba engathi ngaphambilini ngoba seyibaliswa ingathi nangumntana ngaphambilini wayeke wabuza wabaconfront uPastor lona into yoba kungani inoba ubrother lo wabo ke uPastor Mjosti ebusy esupportana nematch and match. So ingathi ke uye yaba khona nje uxambulisano oluthile bafowethu ivideo zakhona zingenye nje indlela angikwazi ukuzi-uploada ukuzi-attach kwalapha but nje imasikizi lanto yenzeke pha. Andiyazi into yoba what will it take for ugovernment wethu into yoba arealize into yoba aba bantu banobungozi, aba bantu ba-dangerous, aba bantu banobulwane apha kubo because akekho umuntu nyanyani ongaze ahlahlele umuntu ngendlela akahlahlelwe ngayo. Ezini ngoku ndisenza le video nge-17 kaJuly 2026 ndizayi-attach i-interview kaPastor Mjosti ne but ke kuthiwa usisi lona ubhizi ulwela impilo yakhe phi le esibhedlela. Bafethu asimanga siyaqhuba enye ngoku into enja because ama-South Africans aya esenyu umgangatho uye esenyuka bayabekwada. So khona umkhubo omtsha ngoku apho ndibona nje ngathi kudlala uvutha into seyivutha ngoku apha. Ikhona into enja apho ndibona into khona into yoba even amapolisa wethu hands are on deck. Ndibona ifana ngoku ama-Marble Towers bebemane bebasokolisa kuyiminyaka benze zonke za structure babezenzile for the very first time ngoku sibona bekwazi into yoba mathi makudemolishwe kuukuthi sezininzi ke phofu izi-structures ezidemolishwe phi apha eJoburg. Bafethu ndicela ningadinwa wona umnyakazi ukhona ngapha iZimbabwe bafethu bengenyawo ithi nge-31 kaJuly 2026 nayo ibonakala ingathi inenjongo zoba iyamatsha. Ke ngoku ikhona into ethi thina singama-South Africans futhi ukubabonisa nje into yoba asilwi nabo kungenzeka into yoba insolidarity nabo ikhona nje into noba igcwalanga esingenathi sibe siyayenza phi apha eSouth Africa ngezo 31 zikaJuly 2026. South Africans yona noba incinci kodwa ikhona into elungayo, ikhona into enyakazayo. Ndingalibalanga bafowethu kwimatch ayizolo ibise Pinetown bebebonke oJacinta noPhakela uMthakathi. So nje kancinci kona uzawudeda umtsholi makadede umtsholi vele ukukhanya. Izwe lokhokho bethu lizalunga lona. Oyini ama-South Africans ningadinwa hle bafowethu. Yazi yona ikhona mani, even ugovernment uyashukuma dibelana noPopu uqobo uDr Popu kwela cala seLimpopo njengoba ethanda uphoqa abantu baseLimpopo kodwa uku-right xa kunguye ezibambela intambo ngokwakhe. Naye ubhizi kwela cala. Umnyakazo wona South Africans ukhona hle. Ukuchafa nje yonto esizawuyenza. Lizwe lokhokho bethu eli. Asinalo, asinamva sinamphambili. Njoba bona ukuthi xa kushubile emazweni wabo bakwazi ukubalekela eSouth Africa nje, thina sinazo injongo zoba sizawubaleka sibalekele kwamanye amazwe. Kungakho ndisithi ndicela singachafi.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Seswa Mjosti siyamati kakhulu uPastor Mjosti laphana kumabona kude kumalokishini bhayisikobs. Seswakhe was stabbed 41 times foreigner ngemva kokuthi ive kokuthi Pastor Mjosti usupporta iMarch and March. Lo bhuti bekatenda mfundisi and lisondo lakhe lagcina njena selivalwa kokuthi umgwazelani seswa Pastor Mjosti ngokuthi phela na Pastor Mjosti usupport iMarch and March. We don't even know because ugwazela umntwana lomncane lona 2 years. So people are just reacting to that story lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana bathi ngiyo le xenophobia lenikhuluma ngayo ukuthi masibaxosha. There are people who are saying ukuthi xenophobia bayawasukela ma-foreigners and bukela ukuthi endani eSouth Africa right now utenda ngazuthi umuntu logulako kube basho kahle ukuthi uphila saka ufuna bathi ugwazela usisi ngoba kathathe enhloko kube right. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.